IGS completed a Middle East roadshow, uniting industry leaders to showcase innovative solutions in asset integrity, thermal efficiency, and maintenance excellence. Our journey began at the Raffles Hotel in Doha, Qatar, where technology leaders discussed cutting-edge advancements in asset integrity and thermal efficiency. We highlighted how HVTS solutions combat high-temperature corrosion and erosion, enabling refineries to extend equipment life, reduce unplanned downtime, and avoid costly replacements. Next, we stopped in Jubail, Saudi Arabia, where Scott Thompson led a deep dive into convection section defouling technology. Industry leaders from the largest chemical production complex in the world engaged in discussions about restoring efficiency, lowering stack temperatures, and improving operations. In Yanbu, Saudi Arabia, we explored live maintenance solutions for heaters, focusing on hotspot repairs. Notable cases included Sebic's methanol reformer and Aramco's hydrogen reformer, where our partnerships ensured uninterrupted operations and enhanced efficiency. The C-Tech project, presented by Ras Tanur Refinery, highlighted reduced emissions alongside an over 8% improvement in radiant efficiency. Sohar, Oman was our next stop, where we demonstrated our no-man entry convection section cleaning rover. This revolutionary technology removes up to 90% of fouling, translating to significant thermal efficiency gains, as seen in a regional refinery where flue gas temperatures dropped from 278 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius. We concluded in Abu Dhabi, UAE, with a dynamic session highlighting engineered surface technologies. Industry leaders from the largest chemical production complex in the world engaged in discussions about restoring efficiency, lowering stack temperatures, and improving operations. From robotic defouling to HVTS and C-Tech technologies, the workshops brought together leaders from Borouge, ADNOC, INOC, and other major oil companies, fostering collaboration and innovation. This Middle East roadshow underscored IGS's commitment to advancing efficiency and reliability through innovative solutions, both in the region and across the world.